Hey guys, welcome to DIY Swag. Before going ahead, I would request you to like and share this video and subscribe my channel if you're new to it. Today we are going to make this beautiful texture cutout painting and I'll show you how I made this. This is a texture painting. I used in texture, POP texture and tissue texture on this painting. So without further ado, let's get started. Start with taking a cardboard according to the size you want. Now draw a silhouette of any figure or any idol you want. I drawed it in the form of Lord Buddha, peace statue. I'm darkening it for you guys. And after this, the outline I'm doing dark. I'll cut this part. With the help of cardboard cutting knife. This is what I get. I had this cardboard in a torn form, so I pasted these papers. Now I'm drawing the inner figure. The part I am going to shade, I'm giving a shade, a darker shade. I'm filling it with a pencil shade. I'm doing it with POP texture. I'll be giving it POP texture, and rest, this one, the red one which I had written red, I am giving here tissue texture. You know how to give tissue texture, so I'm not showing it here because it'll take more time. So you can give the tissue texture like this, and rest I'm giving POP texture. Here I had made a texture paste which is plaster of Paris, glue and water mixture. It will be a medium kind of thickness you need. You have to fill the corners of the cardboard also from this. You can use your fingers as well. Be patient. This is little messy part, so you need to be patient. Apply it with your fingers. It will take little time, but the end result would be amazing. See, I completed it. Now if you want to give any kind of designing on the texture, you can give it with any brush, pencil or anything, but make sure the POP texture paste should be wet enough. So here I am making little dots on the head part, hairy part, like this. For this tissue texture, you can see my other videos in which I had shown how to give the texture of tissue. You have to simply apply glue and tissue over it. Glue with water and cover the part with the tissue. Now before covering, make sure this whole thing should be completely dried out. As I am making it silhouette painting, so I am doing it with the darker shades. I'll be doing the skin portion in black color, completely black, and the cloth part here I'll be showing the tissue texture part in red color. It's very easy to make. You can make it in different kind of figures, different designs, peacock, bird, butterfly, anything, any size, Krishna if you want, and it will be beautiful looking painting, that too with durability, which will surely add in charm to your living room, to your balcony, to your entryway. Anywhere you can hang it or just place it on the side table. You can hang it. It's lightweight also, so you can hang it with the help of double-sided tapes. The inner part here is taking more time because it requires little finishing. Rest is easy to do. Look. The same way you can complete the head part also. Don't forget to do the same color on the corners of the cardboard, which you had covered with the equal respective texture. This is the most stress-free activity I love to do in my free time. It's really stress busting. Painting, making crafts, and making your home beautiful. It'll give you relaxing mind, peaceful mind, and your home will look beautiful. Like this. Now I'm giving little shades of orange for showing the wrinkling part of the cloth. The tissue texture on this part is giving very beautiful look. If you'll directly, I cannot express here because it's a camera version, but if you will see it through your naked eyes, it will be really amazing. Finally, I am giving a metallic gold sponging from finger on the holes I made over the head, and somewhat on the cloth part to give it little shining effect. Like this. And this is the final look. I hope you loved this video. Thanks for watching. Like and share this video with your family and friends. Subscribe my channel if you're new to it. Thank you.